Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change 4 page content in Xilancer Freelancer Marketplace Platform. Before going to admin panel, I am going to show you how you can see the 4 page. For that, type any random thing in the URL and now you will land to the 4 page. Now I will show you how you can change all of this content, image, title and the button text. For that you need to go to admin panel, scroll down, go to pages, click on manage 4 page, and here you can see the options for title, subtitle, button text, paragraph and the change option for the image. In our case we will just change the title for show you how it works. So let us change this to page not font. Click on the update changes. Update is changed. Let's back to the page, reload the page. Here it is, the text is changed. This is how actually you can change 4 page content for Xilancer platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.